Today we are going to talk about one method in chemistry, which is chromatography. This is a very easy thing to do in our home. I did few failures and by this learned a lot more. So my first failure happened as I draw out the dots with a ballpoint pen. This failed mostly because the ballpoint pen is based with oil. Oil is non-polar, which makes it not dissolved and attracted to water. At first, by reading the chemistry book, I thought any type of pen would work. But it mattered. So I changed my markers, staying eager that it would work. And it did not. Actually, it did very little, but it rarely did, making me think that it was a failure again. I questioned myself again. Why? The answer was with the paper. Ha ha, everything I did was a mess from the start. So why does this not work? I was using one method called paper chromatography, and this technique requires special papers like coffee filter, toilet paper, or a paper made for chromatography. Why does regular paper not work? It is because these regular paper are coated, which can't make water smear effectively into the paper. It was tricky for me to succeed on this experiment. This is the needed materials: tissue, markers, glass cup, and water. Lastly, a stick. So I changed the paper. My last try started. I placed markers and poured water. When you pour water, the water should touch only the tip of the paper, not touching the marker points drawn. This happened very well. I finally succeeded. By this, we can learn about the ink's components, if it is a mixture or just a single thing. By the pigment change, it shows that the ink is formed with different pigments. The most farthest pigment is shown that is more attracted to the water. Water is H bonds and is polar, so the more polar molecules will stick with water. This shows that more polar substances would have gone farther. What if it wasn't water? Then the results would have changed. What if it was flown with another substance? First thing I want to tell you is that this flown substance is called mobile phase. Water is one polar mobile phase. Mobile phase is something that moves like liquid and gas. If we put some non-polar mobile phase, the result could be opposite. The non-polar substances will get farthest because the non-polar substances are attracted to non-polar substances. So in this, we should know one important fact, that the substances that interact more with the mobile phase will move faster and go farther. Thank you for watching. By this, I learned more deeper about polarity and how scientists can separate homogeneous mixture.